जिसके बारे में आपको पता होना चाहिए because he went to Indonesia because this year the host country was Indonesia. He went and 7 September को On behalf of Pathshala family, I, Vaibhavi Batra, welcomes you all on our YouTube channel. Today is lecture 16 of our online CLAT marathon series for the upcoming CLAT UG 2024. तो जो आज का हमारा टॉपिक है, it's a very general knowledge topic जिसके बारे में आपको पता होना चाहिए because it is a topic on a very global level. It's a summit. That is Asian Summit, and recently on 7th of September, Mr. Prime Minister Modi went to the Asian Indian Summit, 20th Asian Indian Summit, and वहाँ पर he gave some really important principles जिससे questions put up हो सकते हैं. Plus हम वो तो जानेंगे कि क्या principles हैं, उसके अलावा we would also read its background because जब तक हमें background नहीं पता होगा हम तब तक उसका current situation नहीं जान सकते. Okay, so let's start. That is Asian Summit 2023. तो हम पहले background जानते हैं. It was established in the year August 1967. कहाँ पे establish हुआ था? Bangkok, Thailand. It's a very general question जो put up हो सकता है. इसके 5 founding members fathers थे, that is Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, Singapore and Thailand. And जो chairmanship होती है इन countries में annually based on the alphabetical orders of the English names of the member states. अब इसके साथ साथ ये 5 founding members हो गई और भी कुछ member states हैं जो इस organization का part है. And total Asian में there are 10, including the 5 founding fathers. Okay, they are Brunei, Cambodia, Indonesia, Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar, the Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, and Vietnam into one organization. Abhi kya? It's a regional grouping that promotes economic, political, security, cooperation among themselves. Okay. अब हमने ये तो देखा कि इसकी कौन सी मेंबर स्टेट्स हैं एंड क्या फाउंडिंग फादर्स है, बट वहाँ पे कहीं भी इंडिया का नाम मेंशन नहीं आपने देखा है. तो बेसिकली एशियन का इंडिया इज नॉट अ मेंबर स्टेट, इट्स अ डायलॉग पार्टनर. इंडिया इज द डायलॉग पार्टनर ऑफ एशियन स्टेट. तो अब डायलॉग पार्टनरशिप क्या होती है? तो बेसिकली डायलॉग पार्टनरशिप मीन्स दैट दे आर नॉट द मेंबर्स but they are important speakers or channels or contributors of the working of such organizations, plus they give their policies and they make a way through it. Okay. India and several other countries, सिर्फ इंडिया ही नहीं, इवन यूएस, चाइना, जापान एंड ऑस्ट्रेलिया आर द डायलॉग पार्टनर्स. द एशियन इंडियन डायलॉग 1992 में स्टार्ट हुआ था विद द एस्टेब्लिशमेंट ऑफ सेक्टोरल पार्टनरशिप. दैट इज पार्टनरशिप इन फ्यू सेक्टर्स ऑफ द इकोनॉमी. दिस ग्रेजुएटेड टू फुल डायलॉग पार्टनरशिप. ये फुल कब हुआ? पहले से थोड़ा पार्ट से स्टार्ट हुआ था. फुल हुआ दिसंबर 1995 में और फिर समिट लेवल हुआ 2002 में. Okay. Traditionally, the basis of India-Asian ties has been trade and people. क्या हुआ है? Trade and people-to-people ties due to shared historical and cultural roots. A more recent and urgent area of convergence has been balancing China's rights. Both India and Asian aims to establish a rules-based security architecture for the peaceful development in the region and in contrast to China's aggressive policies. Okay. अब कहाँ कहाँ कॉपरेट करते हैं ये देख लेते हैं तो इनका पॉलिटिकल, एजुकेशनल, कल्चरल, सोशोलॉजिकल सब जगह कुछ ना कुछ कंट्रीब्यूशन है। इकोनॉमिक्स से स्टार्ट करते हैं तो एशियन इज इंडियाज 4th लार्जेस्ट ट्रेडिंग पार्टनर। ओके, India signed FTA, that is Free Trade Agreement in Goods, in 2009 and an FTA in Services and Investment in 2014 with the Asian, और इससे the trade has doubled almost. Okay, political cooperation. Asian India Center, that is AIC, was established to undertake policy research, advocacy and networking activities with organization and think tanks in इंडिया एंड एशिया। तो जब मैं एशियन बोलती हूँ तो इसकी जो पूरी 10 स्टेट्स हैं ये कवर होती हैं। ओके, फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंस भी होती है। इंडिया प्रोवाइड्स फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंस टू द एशियन नेशन थ्रू वेरियस मैकेनिज्म लाइक एशियन इंडिया कोऑपरेशन फंड, एशियन इंडिया STN डेवलपमेंट फंड एंड एशिया इंडिया ग्रीन फंड। ओके, सो दे हैव अ म्यूचुअल अंडरस्टैंडिंग टू प्रमोट and help in growth of all the countries interrelated to them. Socio-culturalist programs to boost people, जैसे आपके education exchange for students exchange program हो गए, inviting Asian students to India, special training course for Asian diplomats, exchange of parliamentarians like that. Defense cooperation में we have joint naval and military exercises are conducted between India and most Asian countries. Even watershed military exercises were held in the year 2016 and 2023 में Made in Asian India Maritime Exercise. Okay. Then 20th Asian Summit, the major thing which happened on 7th September, कि Prime Minister Modi went to Indonesia because this year the host country was Indonesia. He went and 7th September को he pointed out for the integration and for the more growth and promotion of this summit, he stated 12 points. Okay. At the Asian Indian Summit, Prime Minister held extensive discussions with Asian partners on further strengthening of Asian India comprehensive strategic partnership and charting its future course. Prime Minister reaffirmed Asian centrality, the Indo-Pacific, and highlighted the synergies between India's Indo-Pacific Oceans Initiative and Asia's outlook on the Indo-Pacific. He also emphasized the need to complete the review of Asian-India FTA in a time-bound manner. Now coming to the 12 principles which he spoke about, the Prime Minister presented a 12-point proposal for strengthening India. Asian cooperation covering connectivity, digital transformation, trade, economic engagement, addressing contemporary challenges, people-to-people contacts, and depending strategic engagement. क्या है? So first is establishing multimodal connectivity and economic corridor that links Southeast Asia, India, West Asia, Europe. Okay, connectivity, modal connectivity. Then it offered to share India's digital public infrastructure stack with the Asian partners. Then announced Asian India Fund for Digital Future, focusing on cooperation in digital transformation and financial connectivity. Announced renewal of support to Economic and Research Institute of Asia and East Asia to act as knowledge partners for enhancing our engagement. Okay. Then call for collective raising issues being faced by Global South in multilateral fora. Invited Asian countries to join Global Center for Traditional Medicines being established by WHO in India. ये कहाँ establish हो रहा है? ये हो रहा है गुजरात में establish हो रहा है. Okay. Call for working together on mission life. Offered shared India's experience in providing affordable and quality medicines to people through Jan Aushadhi Kendras. Called for collective fight against terrorism, terror financing and cyber disinformation. आपने एक चीज़ नोटिस की होगी, मोदी जी ने साइबर टेक्नोलॉजी, डिजिटल इन सब पे बहुत हाईलाइट किया इस बार. Invited Asian countries to join coalition for disaster resilient infrastructure. called for cooperation in disaster management, called for enhanced cooperation on maritime safety, security and domain awareness. Okay. So that's all for today. So if you have to read about it anyways in detail. I've just given you a brief कि what is ASEAN about and what happened in the summit about the 12 pointers. If you see, Modi ji ने 12 pointers में digital, disaster management, local medication as in औषधि, and then he has also highlighted fight against terrorism. His main concern was on these topics, and I think it is really right to be concerned about because हमारी roots same है, and then terror, if there is rising terrorism and we need support and each other to fight against it. Also, everything is getting digital now. So the main focus is on that also. So I hope you like today's video. Also do read in detail about ASEAN Summit. It's a very important topic and you really have to go through it. Many questions are put up from it. I hope you like today's video. If you like us, do subscribe us so that you can get notification about our next video. Thank you. Have a good day.